You'll find the Wellbeing team in Kingsgate, which is the heart of our city centre campus. We also have bases in schools across the university. If you need any help or information with anything from financial support to wellbeing support, you can come here, book an appointment and speak to someone in our wellbeing team.
Our health and wellbeing service offers workshops that are both in person and online, awareness days and urgent mental health support. We know that your first time living away from home might be a big change, but however you're feeling, you're not alone. Whether it's homesickness, anxiety, exam nerves or wanting help settle in the community, there's someone here to speak to. As well as being able to book an appointment, we also have these drop-in pods. Our advisors run drop-ins during term time. You don't need an appointment, you can turn up and someone will speak to you there.
Our campus police officer runs weekly drop-ins too. You can speak to them for general practical advice, safeguarding advice, or any concerns you might have or concerns for others. We also offer support for student finance. You can either speak to someone in person or online.
Our student finance advisors offer advice on funding, budgeting and how to get the money you need. Our team looks after many UK scholarships, including the Opportunity Scholarship, which provides awards to around 4,000 students per year. And we also look after the International Scholarships, which provides awards to students joining us from overseas. We understand you might have concerns about how much your studies could cost. That's why the university have created the Cost of Living Hub. The Hub provides advice on how much the average student spends studying in Newcastle. And if you do face financial difficulties, you can apply for emergency funding. The Financial Assistance Fund supports international students and the Student Finance Support Fund supports students from the UK.
Wellbeing spaces like this quiet room can be found in buildings across campus and can be used for things like prayer, contemplation and relaxation. We also have a dedicated prayer space on campus which is used throughout the year by many of our students. Here we are at your Students' Union and this is the Support and Advice Hub. First of all, we have our Quiet Lounge and this is somewhere you can either come by yourself or with friends to have a bit of time to chill and relax. And now, through these doors, we have our Hub. This is where students can come for appointments. Now, whether that is housing advice, academic advice or some wellbeing support, we're always here to help. The Students' Union also offers you the opportunity to connect with other students, whether that's through your interests or your hobbies or through cultural societies. It's really important that students feel that they can meet their people here and it's also important you can find some great friends too.